Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. There will be 25 items to test your skills on the subject matter. Don't forget to answer on the comment section below. In your answer sheet, take note of the video ID. Here are the questions. Number 1. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 2. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 3. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 4. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 5. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 6. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 7. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 8. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 9. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 10. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 11. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 12. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 13. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 14. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 15. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 16. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 17. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 18. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 19. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 20. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 21. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 22. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 23. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 24. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Number 25. Which one is correct? A, B, or C? Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.